all, welcome back to my channel.
It's spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I've caught like everything is new.
If you're new to this channel, I am Aprupa Pedinti, and I would love to see if you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification on so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified immediately. So, South Indian, Telugu, Desi family na my name. Okay, so every time I want to buy anything or I want to wear clothes, obviously there are some restrictions kept for me that I can't wear short clothes, I can't wear that kind of clothes and all. And I felt, many of you all watching can also, I feel many of you can relate. And even I've seen a lot of my friends having this problem. It can be from parents, or it can be from friends, or it can be from anybody in your life. And there are restrictions for, for girls to wear stuff. So whenever I want to shop anything, I just want to wear everything possible. If you saw the video with my mom, she tells you, she whines there. It's true. I really want to, experiment with anything. But right now, the reasons can be anything. But I just can't wear everything I want, and I just can't wear everything I like. So I ensure to style my clothes in such a way that I look much more elevated and better. So there have been many of my friends asking me, you can do some practical wearable styling videos, right, on a particular topic. And I felt, yes, it is indeed a good one. And appudu ఆలోచిస్తే then I got this idea of doing this kind of video where I tell you how you can look more hot or attractive or anything you want to call, any adjective, without wearing short clothes. Yes, there are no short clothes involved, only acceptable, society acceptable clothes. Before getting into the video, I just want to remind you a couple of points. One is, being hot, being attractive, being sexy is nothing but just being confident and carrying yourself and your personality at the top level. It's nothing more. You need not wear revealing clothes, you need not wear short clothes, you need not wear anything of that sort to look hot or attractive. It's just within you, it's just the way you portray yourself, it's just the way how confidently you can carry an outfit and yourself. So if you feel you don't look so good, if you feel your body is not so in good shape, if you feel anything of that sort, and if you feel these are the reasons that cannot make you hot, just delete, erase, and just undo it. It's nothing like that. Meer confident ga undi, meer positive ga undi, mee meeda self confidence unte, every girl, every guy is hot and attractive. Don't you worry about that. The second thing I want to remind you all is that be it any kind of styling, be it anything you want to look, you should always know your body type, body shape, and the fit which suits you the best. I've already talked about this in various videos of mine earlier. If you want to check some of them, I'll just link down the women fashion mistakes and men fashion mistakes, something like that. You can check it out. I've talked a lot about the body shapes, body fits, and body types. You can check it out. The next thing I want to let you all know is that this video will be in 3 different sections. One is regarding the fabrics, one is regarding the colors, and third is regarding the outfits. I personally feel these are the 3 things which can change your whole game. So I'll just list out and let you know what are the things of that particular color or that particular fabric which makes you look more hotter and attractive. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. It would mean a lot to me. With no further blabber, let's just get into the video. So the first fabric which every girl has to try, and it looks so elegant, is a sheer top. Of course, sheer is one thing, it's a savior when you are such a person, if you're such a person who cannot wear tops like which are so revealing and which show a lot of skin. Sheer is your go-to, I must say. Sheer tops are something which show your skin but yet do not show your skin, and that is a perfect thing if you want to wear. The second fabric which makes you look so freaking attractive is lace. Lace is a very delicate fabric, it's a very feminine fabric, and our fabric vaadam wala it just enhances your features, especially when we compare sheer and lace. Lace is a little bit more transparent, like it shows the skin more, because దానికి బేసికల్గా మేము చూస్తే లేస్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ కొంచెం ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి. షియర్ ఇస్ kind of mesh, it's like a filter, sheer, but lace is, it's a little bit open, little bit closed. If you're a person who has a little more confidence and little more comfort in showing a little bit of your skin, it's okay, you can definitely try out lace, and it's one of the best options to look hot. The next fabric is, obviously I can never forget this, is leather. Leather is a classic. If you want to look fire, if you want to look bomb without wearing short clothes, just pick a leather pant or a leather jacket, something, and you can wear a tank top. Again, we'll talk about the outfit at the last of this video, at the end of this video, but leather is one such fabric which makes you look bomb in seconds, trust me on that. Next fabric which I love, నాకు ఈ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ చాలా ఇష్టం, ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ 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 ఫెమినిన్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ and it really shows your features, is satin. Satin is a very smooth cloth. You can make any dress stitched in satin fabric, లేదా మీకు రెడీమేడ్ టాప్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి satin, you can check them out. You can see here the inspiration pictures. Satin is a very good material which makes you look super attractive. మీకు ఇలా లేస్ లేకపోతే మెష్ ఇలాంటి షియర్ టాప్స్ ఇవి వేసుకోవడానికి మీకు అంత అన్కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉంటే యూ కెన్ డెఫినెట్లీ గో ఫర్ సాటిన్. అండ్ ద సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ సో ఇంటూ సాటిన్, బికాస్ సాటిన్ is little bit thin, if you want a thick kind of material, is velvet. So these two are fabrics which you can opt if you're not so comfortable in showing your skin a little bit, and if you just want to stay covered, you can obviously definitely try satin and velvet. These two fabrics make you look super fiery hot. So these were all the fabrics which I had in my mind, and I felt, and I know that these will make you look hot without revealing yourself, without showing skin on the first point, and without wearing short clothes. So the second thing we're going to talk about is colors. Now choosing colors is a big thing. It affects the outfit in many ways. So in order to show your features well, as I said, looking hot. What is looking hot? It's just you being confident and carrying yourself at the best. So colors, like red and black are like they వాటికి ఇంకా సాటిలే ఉంటారు చూసిన అలాంటి కలర్స్. those two, red and black, which should be your go-to if you are planning to create a hot and spicy outfit, juicy spicy fiery outfit. These two colors are just amazing. They make you look so good, and we all are beautiful in our own way, that's for sure. But these two colors, I don't know what they make, because of the contrast of the skin tone, or it suits the skin tone very well, or something. They make you look so bomb, just trust me. You can wear a yellow dress, you can wear a red dress, and compare, the red looks more attractive. It just catches your eye. It's something in physics, I don't know physics or something, but it just catches your eye like that. Black and red, both of these are amazing colors if you want to look super duper hot. The next set of colors which you can try out to look more attractive and hot is definitely bold colors, like brick red, then maroon, then purple, and then magenta, then blood red or browns, like something of that sort. Ilanti bold colors anni just brings out the baddie in you and does your whole vibe changes. These colors just change the vibe of your outfit, make your brain into a different thing, and then trust me, they look so hot and on every person, especially girls. You can just try out. The third color, which is so subtle yet so spicy is beige and nude colors. Now basically, if you're a person into a little bit of fairer skin tone, like a little bit of a lighter skin tone, then you may try to go for the bold colors, like I said, red and black. Avoid nude, like itna just 0.5%. I'm just giving the advice. But if you want to wear, you can definitely, because of the skin color, it just gets merged. And obviously, if you're a person with a little darker skin tone, little dusky skin tone, you can definitely try out these nude colors. They pair with your skin color so good, and you look so freaking hot in that. Just believe me on that. However, anyone can try it. It's my piece of advice on my own. In my own experience, I felt that. So yeah, these are some set of colors which you can try to change the whole vibe of your outfit and look more hotter. Coming to the final section of this video is I'm gonna just let you know some outfits I feel are super duper freaking hot, and they are not short clothes nor revealing. Now, I do not like to call any clothing revealing, because there's nothing as such ki revealing clothes hai. It's nothing like that. It's just society's way of calling every cloth is beautiful. The first outfit, actually, I can never forget this, which you have to definitely wear at least once in your life, and it makes you look 10 times, 100,000, 1 lakh times hotter, is definitely a sari. Believe me when I say it, sari is so hot. So hot. Like, choose the right sari, As I told, if you know what your body shape is, you would choose the right fabric and the right color which complements your body shape and body type. And sari is one of the classic and hottest pieces of clothing I've ever seen in my life. Second outfit which every girl can try out is definitely a crop top and a pair of high-waisted jeans, or high-waisted pants or high-waisted skirts, anything. So either high-waisted bottoms only, and you can wear a crop top. Now, crop top came out Monday. If it is a little flowy crop top, chinna gap of your waist will be seen. If you do not want that, you can always go for a body hugging crop top, which do not show any of your skin. So when you wear a body hugging crop top, make sure you wear a high waisted little bit loose bottoms, like a wide leg pant or a mom jean. Okay, మీరు ఒక flowy crop top వేసుకుంటే, which shows a little bit of your waist, and if you're okay with that, then you can definitely wear high waisted jeans which are skinny fit, or pencil fit, or anything like that. So make sure you balance the top and bottom to enhance your body shape. So the next outfit, which is by far I give it the second position after the sari, is bodycon dresses. Now, bodycon dresses lo short bodycon dresses untai and long ante knee length bodycon dresses kuda untai. Now, short bodycon dresses are above your knee ante thigh length lo untai. But now, because you are saying this video is all about no short clothes, definitely you can check out knee length bodycon. Adi full hands kuda untai. It's completely covered. There's nothing being shown in a bodycon dress of that sort. As you can see here, they come till your knee length, and it is your body hugging dress. It just hugs your body and touches the right places, and it looks super dapper on you, and you tend to look more attractive than any kind of flowy dresses or something of that sort. Another option other than the bodycon is a pencil fit skirt. It is a classic piece. It is amazing. You can pair it with any kind of shirts, t-shirts, or blouses, suits, anything, and it would make you look so attractive. The next pair of outfit is a shirt or a blouse with any buttons. Now shirts are not for men, they are for women even. And when I say shirt, you can opt for a satin or kind of chiffon shirts, and they're so in trend, like the leopard print, anything like that. The printed shirts are in trend, and they make you look so attractive. Asala shirts lo emuna naaku teliyadu kani, they show a little bit of your collarbone and little till here. They're not at all revealing, they're not at all short, it is all covered, but then the way it makes you look is amazing. అలాంటి షర్ట్స్ వేసుకున్నప్పుడు మీరు ఎలాంటి బాటమ్స్ అని వేసుకోవచ్చు. యూ కెన్ టక్ యూర్ షర్ట్ అండ్ వేర్ అ హై వేస్టెడ్ మామ్ జీన్స్, or you can wear a pencil fit bottoms, or you can wear cut loose, or you can wear skirts, anything. But tryout shirts, they tend to make you look so hot and attractive just by showing little places of your body, like your collarbones. Only that is the thing which will be seen, and they look so amazing. Just go and check out. So the last thing which you have to keep in mind when it comes to this kind of no short clothes and looking hot is definitely layering. You can buy different pieces of clothing, like you can buy a short frock, you can buy stockings, you can buy a camisole, you can buy a lace bralette, and you can pair all this together. You can layer on each other. So like this you can always style and try to create new looks without showing more skin. So I guess I've covered it all. I've talked to you about the best fabrics, I've talked to you about the relatable colors, I've talked to you about some of the outfits which I feel make you look super hot, yet not revealing, and yet not make you wear short clothes. I don't know, I feel everybody can relate. Every girl of this age who lives in this society can relate to this, and because there are many things of not being able to wear short clothes and stuff like that. It's sad, but it is the reality. So these were some thoughts and ideas I thought would be helpful to you all, and wearable and practical at the same time. I hope you have been helpful with this, and yes, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy watching and gain a little bit of knowledge from this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are so close to 400, and it would mean a lot if we hit that 400 subscribers mark. Don't forget, it's all in you. It's just how confident you are, how good you carry yourself, and how greatly you embrace yourself, which makes you hotter and more attractive. Don't at all forget that. Just meet in the next video, you all. Bye guys.